All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Day 19. We only got a couple more days till Christmas. I really need to start my Christmas shopping. Today we have something that's not Christmas related at all. We are going to use red acrylic for it and make a keychain. But I don't know about you, but I don't think this screams holidays or Christmas. But there are some strings involved. So let's go over to our program, show you what we're going to be making. Again, like, subscribe, ring that bell if you're enjoying this content, and make sure to comment down below on the last 19 videos for your chance to win whatever we made in those videos. December 30th, 8 p.m. Central, live here on YouTube, weather permitting, that is, of course. We will be live, giving away all 25 of the items we made. You can win 1, 2, 25. Depends on how many times you comment. And if you're lucky that night, with the wheel and names and ducks and geese and rabbits and robots, so my. Look at what we're going to be making today. We are going to be making a Camp Crystal Lake keychain. 11 Sand Pond Road, Harwick, New Jersey. Drop in any mailbox. We guarantee postage. Camp Crystal Lake. We all know what that is. This one says it's going to take 14 minutes and 12 seconds. So, of course, we're going to speed this one up in the editing process because you guys don't want to see this thing go for 14 minutes. Trust me. Let's add in Luther. Still nothing. I think he's waiting for his Christmas present. Like I said, we're going to set him up. We'll say that. But here we go. Let's make this Camp Crystal Lake. Let's go.
Jason Voorhees.
Hunter.
go. She is done. Let's see. Let's see if it pops out of there. Acrylic is a little bit of a fickle beast sometimes. Oh, look at that. Popped right out of there. Looks great. Looks good. Needs a little bit of a cleanup around the edge. And then we'll put our key ring on it. I do know this. If you are going to use acrylic and be cutting it, use plenty of ventilation. Because otherwise, whoo! Go duck hunt with the garden rake, boys and girls. Go duck hunt with the garden rake. And there we go. We still have to take the back of it off, but that will just peel right off of there. There we go. We'll get the rest off here before we send it out. But there it is, Camp Crystal Lake. Beautiful little red keychain. So, guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.